At just before 8:30 that morning, Delta Flight 1141 was pushed back from the gate. As the plane was being pushed back, Captain Davis told his colleagues that he had not received his paycheck yet, and asked them if they had got theirs. They said that they had. The pilots continued discussing pay and savings as the pushback was completed and as they began starting the plane's 3 engines. Following a slew of catastrophic accidents in the 1970s, a new rule was introduced into airline cockpits around the world, known as the sterile cockpit rule. This prohibits pilots from talking about anything not related to the flight from the moment the engines are started until the aircraft has climbed through 10,000 feet. The purpose of this rule is to ensure that during these busy moments in the flight, all conversations are related to flying the aircraft. This allows important tasks like checklists to be performed in a distraction-free environment. Right from the outset of this flight, the crew of Flight 1141 was eschewing this rule. Once all 3 engines were started, First Officer Kirkland requested taxi clearance from the ground controller. On this morning, Flight 1141 would be sticking to the inner taxi route until it had reached the threshold of runway 18 left, one of the airport's 2 southerly facing runways. It was a busy morning at Dallas, and the pilots knew that it could easily be half an hour before they were first in line for takeoff. There would be no need for rushing on this morning. The atmosphere in the cockpit was relaxed as the crew taxied out. Despite the fact that they had now come to a stop and were being ignored by air traffic control, spirits remained high. "How about looking down here at Deltas now and then?" joked the